Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome to Stormtopia.com. Nick Sarah here for the daily forecast video. And the forecast mode today being, looks like some northern New England snow on Friday. There won't be a ton. We're going to be talking about that in just a bit. After that, pretty quiet with frontal passage coming later on Saturday. Means cooler air for Sunday. After that, cold and dry through the midweek. But storm chances starting to increase. I don't know if you've been hearing the hubbub about stratospheric warming, but from this point on through February, we're starting to get into a stormier pattern. It's not going to be like a flip of a dime, or whatever that term is. It's not going to change on a dime. But we're starting to get a little bit snowier. Alright? So here's Friday's forecast. Snow showers across the North Country. There's the potential that they actually snow. It actually snows a little bit farther south than that. You know, in the morning hours especially. But I think that's where it's most likely to be. So if you're heading out to the primaries tomorrow, or any of the other million things that people do in New Hampshire, just be on guard. Some snow showers are likely. Alright? Now by the weekend, Saturday afternoon, cold front's going to be pushing through. Going to be making it a little colder, so do not judge your Saturday evening if you're going for a night on the town Saturday evening. Do not judge the clothing you wear based on the temperatures during the day, because they will likely be drastically different due to the cold front. And Sunday will be very cold. Well, not very cold, but pretty cold. Early next week, fair, not too cold, not too warm. A developing storm to the south is going to be causing some mischief in the southern states by early next week, where folks will also be voting in primaries. I think South Carolina comes next. Let's take a look at the European model. Here we are by the afternoon hours of Monday. Notice we've got rain. Whoa. Never understood why my computer does it. Never understood. Notice fair, cold pattern in effect for the northeast. Tough to break freezing all of these days. Got rain developing to the south. Almost got a close-cut circulation here. See how that works out. That closed low is barely moving, but it does move. Here we are, 2 days later, it's barely moved. It's moved from Texas to Alabama. And really, it's on the Alabama-Mississippi border. And at this point, we're seeing the rain spreading all the way back up in for the southeastern states. And by Thursday, it pushes through. Let's keep in mind, I'm actually going to go farther out, all the way 16 days out. This is going to be on the GFS model. And here we are, whoa. Here we are by the time you make your way out to, this is the GFS by Thursday. Actually, GFS wants to develop a little bit of a storm. We're going to see how that works out. It'll be interesting. I mean, of course, as usual, the GFS, not on the side of logic, okay? It has a closed low circulation, warmer air between the, basically, it's complicated what's going on here, and I don't know why I'm explaining this, because it probably won't happen, but what's happening here is we got above freezing air, normally, okay? That is the normal climate. That's all the way above here, up here as the storm's pushing through, okay? But what's happened is we've got a lot of cold air off to the west, okay? So what happens is the storm's made a path all the way like this. So what the storm ends up doing is taking that cold air from the southwest and transferring it to the northeast. So it's a cold pocket, so that we are snowing in parts of southern New England. We're raining in central New England, and we're changing over to snow in northern New England. If that made sense to you, good job, because you are in the top 1%. That's it. I'm done with political jokes. Have a nice day.